Meet Odin, an exemplary South African Boer bull, embodying the breed's hallmark traits of strength and muscularity. With his stocky build and thick frame, Odin has an impressively imposing presence, a defining characteristic of the Boer bull. The Boer bull breed, hailing from South Africa, is renowned for its robustness and formidable nature. Originally bred to protect homesteads, these dogs are fiercely loyal and protective of their families. They possess a confident and calm demeanor, though they are always alert and ready to defend. Boer bulls are intelligent and trainable, requiring consistent leadership and socialization. With their dependable temperament and vigilant nature, Boer bulls excel as both family companions and guardians. What do you think about this breed? Is it the best Mastiff-type breed in the world? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts.